Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me for what is going to be a super quick yoga stretch for when we are a little short on time. So we'll get into it straight away. You don't need anything, just yourself and your mat, and when you're ready, let's begin. So let's begin our practice today by coming onto all fours into our tabletop. So wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. And we'll just start by flowing through some cat-cows here. So inhaling to look forwards and drop the belly. Exhale to round the spine. Inhale, roll forwards, look forwards, tailbone up. Exhale, chin to chest, round out the spine. And just roll through a couple of these cat-cows, just moving in time with your own body here. Flowing with the breath, stretching out the back, stretching out the arms. Let's take one more full round of breath, an inhale and an exhale. And then we'll meet back in center in our tabletop. Think about engaging the core here, and as we do, send the right leg away. We can tuck the toes under and think about really spiking the heel towards the back of the mat. So pressing into the hands, pressing that heel back, feeling a nice deep stretch through the hamstrings. And then maybe we lift the right leg up. We can lift it up in line with the hip here, point the toes away. Keep that core engaged. And then if we're feeling balanced, we can reach the left fingertips forwards. Keep your gaze down towards the mat so we have a nice long spine here, creating one long line with the body. Hold it here for just a couple more breaths. If you wish, we might bend the knee, we might reach around, try to take hold of that foot, maybe look forwards here. Take a full breath. And then release the right knee back to the floor, the left hand back to the floor. And let's take a few more cat-cows here. Inhaling to look forwards, exhale, round the spine. And this time we might start to send the bum back towards the heels as we exhale. Inhale to bring it all the way forwards. Exhale to sit the bum back. Inhale, roll forwards. Just bringing a little bit more movement into the shoulders here and into the hips. Let's take one more full round of breath here. And then the next time that we come up, we can meet back in our tabletop, switch on that core and send the left leg away. Tuck the toes under, spike that heel away towards the back of your mat, stretching out the hamstrings, holding it here, keep breathing. If we want, maybe we start to lift the left leg up. We might lift it in line with the hip. And we might start to reach the right fingertips forwards, creating one big long line with the body, all the way from your fingertips to your toes. We'll take a few more breaths here. So if you would like, maybe we reach that hand around, bend the left knee, kick the foot into the hand and look forwards. Take one more full breath here. And then release everything back to the floor. We're going to spread the fingers nice and wide, tuck the toes under, and then start to lift the hips up, send them back, find your downward facing dog. Maybe pedal out through the feet here. Taking each heel one at a time down towards the mat. Keeping the hips up high, keeping the arms strong. And then coming back into stillness, taking one full breath in your downward dog. And then take the gaze up towards the fingertips and slowly walk the feet all the way up towards the hands, and we'll meet in a forward fold. So letting everything just dangle down here over the legs. The knees can be bent or straight. Take one more breath. And then press into the heels and slowly roll your way all the way up and come all the way into standing. When we get here, we're going to inhale, reach both hands up, take hold of the right wrist, and think about pulling that right wrist up and over. So we're stretching out the right hand side of your waist here. If you're feeling balanced, maybe we take the right leg, cross it behind, just deepening into that stretch. Take one more full inhale. And exhale. And then bring everything back to center. Drop the arms. Inhale, reach up one more time. Take hold of the left wrist and pull that arm up and over towards the right. So getting into the left hand side of the body here. If we're feeling balanced, we can start to cross that left leg behind the right. Again, deepening into this stretch. The more we reach into the top fingertips, the deeper with the stretch we feel. Let's take one more full breath here. And then come all the way up through center, drop the arms. Take a few big rolls through the shoulders, just releasing any tension. And then coming back to stillness. And maybe coming back to your mat. And I hope you enjoyed this super quick yoga practice. If you did, please give it a like. And if you would like to see more like this, please subscribe or please let me know in the comments what you would like to see. But I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.